Hello, friends! Today we are gonna have lots of fun. We are gonna have an art show. We're gonna make some fun things and then show everyone. That is called an art show. Hey, look at Fufa. She already has some paint. Wow, look at Fufa now. She's mixing some colors to make other colors. And she is...
DJ Lance, can I have some paper to paint on?
Hey, okay.
Thank you, DJ Lance.
Well, what do you got?
I have yellow and blue, and I have black too. I have white and red, so let the mix begin. I'm stirring up colors. I am mixing up colors. Colors, I'm stirring up colors. I am mixing up colors. Mixing yellow and blue, that makes
Green.
When I mix white and red, that makes
Pink.
When you mix red and yellow,
It makes orange. All right.
Hey, what are you guys doing?
We're mixing colors. I'm going to paint a pretty picture.
Wow! What are you going to paint?
I want to paint a beautiful rainbow and a flying whale.
That sounds great! Can I help you mix colors?
Okay. Yeah.
We have yellow and blue,
And we have black too.
we have white and red. So let the mix begin. We're stirring up colors. We are stirring up colors. We're stirring up colors. We are stirring up colors.
Mixing yellow and blue, that makes
Green.
When I mix white and red, that makes
Pink. When you mix red and yellow, it makes orange. All right.
Yeah.
Colors, we're mixing up colors. Colors, we're mixing up colors.
Wow! What if we mix up red and blue?
Okay.
That makes purple.
What if we mix yellow and red and blue and green and orange and pink and black? Ooh,
It makes brown. Yay!
thanks for helping me. I love mixing colors to paint with.
Yeah!
My name is Andrew. I like to dance.
Green and red, black and gold, silver turquoise, maroon and dark brown and white, yellow, peach. What are your favorite colors? What are your favorite colors? And when you look around, you'll find that the world is made of colors. People, places, animals are made of colors.
Greetings, art lovers. My name is Mark, and today we are going to draw some eggs. I like eggs. Let's draw some. Eggs are pretty easy to draw. First, we draw the bottom of the egg. It's round like this. Pretty easy. See, there we go. Now the top of an egg is more pointy. Like this. Okay, now that you know how to draw, let's draw another one, okay? Here we go. I think there's something we could draw on these eggs to make them more fun. Hey, I know. Let's draw legs on these eggs. Put some feet down here. Put a couple legs over here. Couple more feet on this guy. There you go. There's some eggs with legs. Hey, they're dancing. Hey, wait for me. Well, thanks for drawing with us today. See you later.
Hey, I'm working on something for the art show. I'll show you when I'm done. Hey, look, everyone is working on something right now. There's Muno. Muno's working on a rock sculpture. Fufa's working on her painting. Broby is using paper, paint, wood, and leaves to make a collage. Plex is taking pictures, and I think Tootie is making an ice sculpture. This is gonna be a great art show. Well, gotta get back to work.
Wow! This is hard work! I'm kinda hot! I think I need to take a break. Hey! I wonder how Fufa is doing! I'm gonna go see! Hey, Fufa! What are you doing? Whoa! Oh!
Muno! Ah! Muno! Go away!
Oh!
Fufa, Muno, what happened?
Muno is so clumsy. He always wrecks everything.
I didn't mean to! Oh!
Fufa, you know he didn't mean to. I know you are upset, but we can't say mean things to our friends. Don't say mean things to friends. Don't say mean things to friends. Don't say mean things to friends. It's not nice. Don't say mean things to friends. Don't say mean things to friends. Don't say mean things to friends. It's not nice. We don't want to hurt them. We don't want to hurt them. We don't want to hurt their feelings. No. We don't want to make them sad. So we should not say mean things to them. No, we should not. No.
I know Muno got paint on your picture, but he didn't mean to.
Yes, we should not say mean things to our friends. It hurts their feelings, and it makes them really sad.
You're right. I'm sorry.
Don't say mean things to friends. Don't say mean things to friends. Don't say mean things to friends. It's not nice. We don't want to make them sad, so we should not say mean things to them. No, we should not. No.
Fufa! I am so sorry about your painting!
I'm sorry I said mean things to you too. But what about my painting?
There you go, Fufa. There's a brand new piece of paper.
And Fufa, if it's okay, I would like to help you make a new picture!
Okay, Muno. That would be nice if you helped. Let's get started.
Okay! Yeah! Say cheese!
Cheese!
My name is Wei Wei. I like to dance.
Hey guys, the Super Music Fringe Show is on.
Look around, because art is everywhere. It's MGMT.
Look around you, art is everywhere. La la la. Look around you, art is everywhere. La la la. Look around you, art is everywhere. La la la. Take a walk and see the colors.
Listening and dancing to music is awesome!
Hi, my name is Ray, and riding a skateboard is my cool trick. Remember, when you're riding your skateboard, always wear your safety gear. That way you can do all kinds of cool tricks, like this. Check this out. My name is Ray, and riding a skateboard is my cool trick.
Hey, I think it's time for the art show. Let's see if everyone is ready. Fufa, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Muno, are you ready?
Yes, ready!
How about you, Plex?
Ready!
Broby?
Yeah!
How about you, Tootie?
Yeah, I guess.
Okay then, let's all meet in Muno Land and start the art show.
Art show, we're all going to the art show. Art show, we're all going to the art show.
Okay, everybody, here is my rock sculpture! Yeah!
Ooh, Muno, that is awesome. You made a great sculpture. Way to go, good job. Yeah! Art show, we're all going to the art show. Art show, we're all going to the art show. Okay, everyone, here are my two paintings. Ooh, ah, Flufa, that's remarkable. You made two great paintings. Way to go, good job. Yeah! Art show, we're all going to the art show. Art show, we're all going to the art show.
Okay, here is my photo print gallery. Okay!
Ooh, ah, Plex, that's incredible. You took such great photos. Way to go, good job. Yeah! Art show, we're all going to the art show.
Go, here we go, here we go!
Art show, we're all going to the art show.
Okay, I use paint, paper, wood, and leaves to make a collage.
Yeah!
Ooh, ah, Robbie, that's fantastic. You made such a cool collage. Way to go, good job. Yeah! Art show, we're all going to the art show. Come on! Art show, we're all going to the art show.
Okay, everyone, ready? Here's my art.
Tootie, that is great art!
Yeah!
Ooh, ah, Tootie, that's fantastical. You tried really hard. We've had so much fun at the art show.
Hey everyone,
What?
look at my picture. Ready?
Oh, wow! DJ Lance! That's amazing! Yay!
Haha! Hey, we did it! Great art show, everybody!
Art shows are so much fun! Yeah, no matter what your art looks like.
Yeah!
Art! My name is Bram. I like to dance.
Hey, everybody! It's Dancy Dance time! Now, let's see who our Dancy Dance friend is today!
Cool. Hi, everyone.
Hi!
I'm Andy.
Hi, Andy!
What a cool coincidence that I'm here. I just learned an awesome new dancey dance. Do you guys want to learn it? Well, it's really easy to do, and it's called the alligator chomp. The first step goes like this. You clap up here.
Clap here.
Then you clap over here.
Clap over here.
Then you clap down here.
Clap down here.
Then you clap down here.
Clap down here.
And then you chomp, you chippy chippy chomp.
Chomp, chomp, chippy, chippy, chomp.
Really good. Now let's drop a funky fresh beat so we can all dance to it.
Okay! Here we go! Okay!
And clap, down here, over here. And chomp, and chippy chippy chomp. Good. Clap, down here, over here. Now chomp,
And
chippy chippy chomp. One more time. Clap, down here, over here. Now chomp,
and
chippy chippy chomp. Really good, you guys. Now let's just go crazy. That was so much fun, you guys. But I gotta get going. Thanks for doing my dance with me. Okie dokie, see you later.
Yeah! Hi, everyone! Today we're gonna do the DJ Lance dance. So everyone stand up! Come on! Let's dance! Today we're gonna paint a rainbow. Come on! Lift your paintbrush up real high, back and forth across the sky, and paint a rainbow. And paint a rainbow. Paint a rainbow. And paint a rainbow. Lift your paintbrush up real high, back and forth across the sky, and paint a rainbow. And paint a rainbow. Yeah! All right, that was so much fun. Yo!
Hi!
It's almost time to go.
Aww!
But first, let's remember all the fun things we did today.
Okay!
First, we learned how to mix paint colors with fufa.
We're mixing colors. I'm going to paint a pretty picture.
Then, we learned it's better not to say mean things to our friends.
I know you are upset, but we can't say mean things to our friends.
Finally, we all had great fun at the art show. Everyone did so great.
Art shows are so much fun. Yeah, no matter what your art looks like.
Today was such a fun day for an art show.
Yeah!
Now it's time to dance.
Yeah!
Are you ready?
Yeah!
Well, let's do it. I'll break it down.
It's not nice. We don't want to hurt them. We don't want to hurt them.
great time today. Thanks for playing with us. See you next time.
Bye!
Here we go. Yo Gabba Gabba! Hello, friends. I love nature. Nature's all the things around us, like mountains, rivers, plants, and animals. You know, a great way to enjoy nature is to go camping. Hi, Tootie.
Hi, DJ Lance.
I have a really fun idea. Why don't you go camping up on Gabba Mountain?
I love camping in the mountains.
If you hike all the way to the very top, you can meet my friend Barbara who lives there.
Oh, I want to meet Barbara.
I love hiking too.
Oh, I want to go hiking. I think. What is hiking and camping?
Well, Broby, hiking is when you take a long walk outside. And when we sleep outside in nature, that's called camping.
Oh, that sounds like fun.
If we are going to go camping, we'll need a few things. Some blankets for sleeping, a compass to point the way, a guidebook to tell us what we find, and some water to drink. Oh, and we can't forget the s'mores. We can carry all this stuff in backpacks.
All right, follow me. Wait, DJ Lance, which way is Gabba Mountain?
Oh, it's right here. Yo Gabba Gabba!
Let's go! We are going camping.
We are going camping.
We are going camping.
We are going camping.
Hike and hike through the mountains out in nature.
We'll see bugs and bees.
And rocks and trees.
We'll sleep outdoors when the night falls.
We're going camping.
Feeling free when we are camping today.
Hey, did you guys hear that? It's coming from just ahead. Let's go!
Yeah!
Yodelay-hee-ho-hee-ho.
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 Yodelay-yodelay-yodelay.
Hey, everybody!
This is a ram that lives high in the mountains.
Yeah, that's me.
Nice to meet you, Mr. Ram. We're on a hike.
All right, have fun.
Yeah, let's go.
We are going camping.
We are going camping.
We are going camping.
We are going camping.
Hike and hike through the mountains out in nature. We'll see flowers and plants and hills of birds.
And when we get tired, we'll set up camp. We're going hiking. Feeling free when we are hiking today. Yodelay-hee-ho-hee-ho. Yodelay-hee-ho-hee-ho. Yodelay-yodelay-yodelay. Yodelay-hee-ho-hee-ho. Yodelay-yodelay-yodelay.
Welcome!
Let's see. This looks like an evergreen pine tree.
Precisely! And you've made it to the campsite.
This is the campsite.
Hooray! Hooray!
My name is Aiden. I like to dance.
Animals have a home of their own in the forest and the jungle underwater, off the shores, the great outdoors. See monkeys and fish and zebras and bats and long necks on giraffes, the rabbits and the rattles they shake. The ducks on the lake, the porcupine grins, and the alligator swims in the great outdoors. And what is your favorite animal? Animals have a home of their own in the desert, on the prairies, underwater, off the shores in the great outdoors.
Hey kids, just gather around for Business Beat of the Day. I'ma teach you some sounds. Okay kids, here is Business Beat of the Day. We're going to do a frog beat. Ribbit, 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 ribbit. Now practice this at home, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye-bye.
All right, everyone, it's s'mores time.
Wow! What are s'mores?
S'mores are a delicious treat you make over a fire.
Razzle dazzle!
How do we make them?
First, we take our time and slowly cook the marshmallow over the fire.
This looks like fun.
Then, when the marshmallows cook to a golden brown, we add chocolate and graham crackers, just like a sandwich.
A marshmallow sandwich!
S'mores really want to go to the party in my tummy.
While we're waiting for our marshmallows to cook, let's play the campfire story game.
I love this game!
I'll make up a part of the story first. Then everyone can take turns to use their imaginations and make up what happens next. This sounds like fun. Everyone sing with me.
Our story song. Let's roast s'mores and sing along. Our story song. Let's roast s'mores and sing along.
Okay, here we go. Once upon a time, there was a brother and a sister. They had a missing friend, so they set out on an adventure. They walked and ran, hiked up and down until the brother and sister found
Our story song. Let's roast s'mores and sing along.
What did they find, Foofa? They found a magic rainbow at the castle of the princess. The princess took them on a trip to find their friend. They flew away and spent the day sliding down the rainbow's end. Everyone sing together.
Our story song. Let's roast s'mores and sing along.
My turn. In Rainbow Town, they looked around and missed their friend a lot. And suddenly, they found their friend had turned into a robot with blinking lights and metal parts, but still he had a great big heart.
Our story song. Let's roast s'mores and sing along.
What next, Muno?
The robot stayed in Rainbow Town and helped out the bird folk. They needed help to clean up the town because the robot could make soap. So everyone scrubbed and cleaned the town with lots of love.
Our story song. Let's roast s'mores and sing along.
What did they do then?
Then they danced. The brother and the sister finally finished their adventure. The Princess Rainbow, Bird People, and Robot Friend were all there. Dancey dance all day and night, roasting s'mores till they were just right.
Our story song. Let's roast s'mores and sing along.
Aha!
Our story song. Let's roast s'mores and sing along.
I think our marshmallows are done roasting, and it's time for a s'mores party in our tummies. All we need to add now is chocolate and graham crackers.
It's like a sandwich.
Razzle dazzle! I love s'mores!
There's a s'more party in my tummy.
Mana, pipe it. I like to dance.
Okay, everyone, time for bed.
Did anyone hear that?
Yeah, what was that sound?
Hey everyone, how was camping?
It's DJ Lance. Hi, DJ Lance.
Oh, we didn't know what that sound was.
It was just you, DJ Lance.
The Super Music Friends show is about to start, and I didn't want you to miss it. It sounds like the Super Music Friends show is on.
Let's all go out in nature with Band of Horses.
Out in nature under the sun is how I like to spend all my days. Looking at the leaves and looking at the trees and watching all the animals play. In nature, the air is clean and clear, and the water is deep and blue. It is up to me and you to care for it and share with it. High upon a mountain or deep within a lake, or underneath the ground with the gophers and the snakes. Out in nature is where I wanna be, underneath the stars in the sky. In nature, the air is clean and clear, and the water is deep and blue. It is up to me and you to care for it and share with it. Nature, underneath the stars. Out in nature, under the sun, is how I like to spend all my days. Looking at the leaves, and looking at the trees, and watching all the animals play. In nature, the air is clean and clear, and the water is deep and blue. It is up to me and you to care for it and share with it.
Shh. It's time to go to sleep now. Listening and dancing to music is awesome.
Knock, knock, joke of the day.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Leaf.
Leaf? Who?
Leave early or you'll be late.
Knock, knock, joke of the day.
Okay! Is everyone ready to finish our hike to the top of the mountain?
Yeah!
Yahoo! We finally made it!
Wow, that was kind of hard.
My legs want to lay down.
Yeah, but we made it! This is so great! Oh, look! We can see so much from up here. Wow! What a beautiful view! Ooh. Nature is beautiful!
Hello, everyone. I'm Barbara. DJ Lance told me you were hiking up here. Congratulations. You made it to the top of Gabba Mountain.
Hooray!
I know it was a long and difficult hike.
It was hard, but worth it. It's so beautiful on top of the mountain.
Oh, yes, it sure is. This is my home at the top of Gabba Mountain. I watch the clouds and I talk to all my friends out here in nature. I could carry all of you on a really fun flight and show you.
Oh, really? Hey, guys, Should we all take turns flying with Barbara? I'd rather hike down the mountain.
Yes, we should all be heading back home soon.
Why don't all of you hike back down, and I'll give Tootie a ride back home to meet you.
That sounds like a great plan.
Bye, Tootie.
See you back home.
Be careful.
I will! Goodbye! I'm so excited to fly!
Be sure to hold on tight. Come along with me in a place so high and free. It's wonderful to be flying in nature.
Once upon a time we left the world behind in search of that adventure and friends.
We found nature in the air, birds flying everywhere, unicorns and air balloons and clouds floating by. Come along with me
In a place so high and free, it's wonderful to be flying in nature.
Here you go, back home.
Thanks so much, Barbara. That was the best trip ever.
Oh, I almost forgot. I have badges for everyone who made it to the top of Gabba Mountain.
Badges? Awesome!
This is a badge so everyone will know you hiked all the way to the top.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And Tootie, you get a special badge for leading everyone all the way to the top of the mountain.
Wow, thank you, Barbara.
Come hiking in nature and visit me again. See you soon.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Goodbye.
My name is Hudson. I'd like to dance. Story time. Once upon a time, there was a little girl named Ruby, and she had two best friends named Harper and Clyde. One day, Ruby had a great idea to go camping out in nature. So they packed up their backpacks and started out on a camping adventure. After a long hike, Ruby found a perfect place to set up camp. Harper found 4 long sticks for the walls. Clyde put one across the top. Ruby put a blanket over the whole entire thing. They all climbed inside the tent. Clyde turned on the flashlight. They had so much fun making funny shapes with the shadows. Just then, they heard a strange sound just outside the tent. They carefully shined their flashlights outside to see Ruby's mom with a big plate of snacks. The little campers laughed and had so much fun. It was their very first and very best camping trip ever. The end.
Hello.
You found me.
Yo! It's almost time to go. But first, let's remember all the fun things we did today. First, we hiked up Gabba Mountain and learned about nature.
We are going camping.
Then we roasted s'mores, told stories, and camped out overnight.
It's s'mores time.
All right!
Finally, we reached the top of the mountain and met a friend named Barbara.
You made it to the top of Gabba Mountain.
We had such a great day in nature.
Hooray!
Now it's time to dance.
Yeah!
Are you ready?
Yeah!
Well, let's do it. I'll break it down. I think today would be a great day to go camping.
Let's go!
Hi, Tootie.
Hi, DJ Lamb.
I love nature.
That sounds like fun.
I love nature.
Our story song. Let's roast s'mores and sing along.
There's a s'more party in my tummy.
We found nature in the air. Birds flying everywhere.
My legs want to lay down.
I had a great time today. Thanks for playing with us. See you next time.
Bye!
Here we go. Yo